Dame un grr. Un qué?
Alam mo kung ano yung masakit? Binigyan mo ko ng pag-asa na magiging masaya ako ulit. You made me fall in love with you. You know what? You're so unfair.
May nagsabi, huwag daw ako maarte. Hindi daw ako maganda. Oh, ikaw din naman.
Now, my question now. Do you want us to back in relationship? Yes or no, or we will be forever friend?
Yes, or but you have to block Blaze.
What?
Yes, but you have to block Blaze.
What? Yes, you must complete your answer.
Yes, come back to me, but you have to block Blaze.
Come back to me. Sana all. You cannot said, Angie, I will come back to you. Rather, I will come back to you. Oh my
Hold
God,
on,
Tom.
Hold on.
So, what the fuck? What the fuck you doing? I don't believe that you are in your house. I don't believe that you're scratching, talking to your mom and Lee. I don't believe you, Tom. I don't believe you. Just tell me the truth. The truth. Where are you in 24 hours? I cannot contact you. So, tell me, where are you in 24 hours? I am calling, I am chatting, 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 I am calling, I am chatting. All my account I use to chat you, to call you. I find your number, how to contact you. I told my friend to contact you in the USA. For what is the happening of you? I think you are dead. I think you are dead. You are 15 hours active. Your cell phone is ringing. Your cell phone is ringing. I keep calling. I keep chatting, but no answer, no reply. I thought you are dead. So you don't think what is Angie will be worried of me or Angie? What happened of Angie now? I don't have.
Bakit mainit sa Pilipinas?
Mas madami pa kasing chismosa kesa sa puno.
Tame.
Yeah.
Yesterday ba? You are off your live. It said the host will come back soon, and then it's end your live, and then you end your messenger up. What are you doing? You give time to all katulpilar?
I figured you would say that. I really did. I figured you would go there.
You really did. You really did. You off your messenger, you off your live. And I cannot contact you anymore. You give your time to Katulpilar?
One day you're gonna miss my boring texts, my random calls, my silly questions. You'll miss my fight, my mood swings, my arguments, my possessiveness and my insecurities. But most of all, you'll miss the way I cared for you.
I may not be the prettiest, have the perfect figure, or be your cup of tea, but I have a heart that cares, a mind that thinks deeply, and a strength that keeps going when things get rough. I won't apologize for being who I am.
Wow! Gaano ba kayo kalapit mag-usap pati yung amoy niya kumapit na sa'yo? Ma, baby.
Joy, nag-usap lang talaga kami.
Oh, uwi ka pa. Sana nag-usap na lang kayo maghapon magdamag. Tang-inang pag-uusap yan, pati ba yung kamay mo okupado? Di mo malang nagawang tumawag o mag-text para sabihin kung nasan ka?
Di lang ako nakasagot kasi lobat ako.
Napaka-timing naman talaga ng pagkalobat ng cellphone na yan.
Sorry naman, matino ka pala. Mali yung tanong, matino ka pa ba?
Honestly, if a man wants you, he won't have to ask for effort. He'll make time. He'll call you. He'll text you. Trust me. No man is too busy for a woman he truly wants.
Alam kong hindi ako maganda sa personal, pero isa lang ang masasabi ko, maganda naman ako sa cellphone.